Hey, it's Derek. I'm sending you this website template that I think will be really beneficial to your business. I'm going to go over all the features and stuff and online store, stuff like that we talked about on the phone yesterday. So as you're looking at this, keep in mind that this is like a default template, so it's already got some default pictures and text and all that. So basically just pay attention to how it's laid out. And as you're looking at this, also keep in mind that everything on here can be changed. The background, the text, the picture, the color, everything on here can be changed. So this is the home page. As you can see, there's title, and here's the different tabs. I can also add or take away tabs and stuff as needed. So this is the top of the home page. As you can see right here, there's a little title and then a get a quote button. So somebody can click on that get a quote button, and that takes them to a different part of the website, which I'll go over in a minute. Now if you keep scrolling down, there's a couple of sections right here showing kind of a preview of your services. So you can pick a couple of services that you want to feature on the home page and include a picture and some text, just brief text going over some of your services. And there's a button right here that people can click on, read more. Well, I can change it to view services or however you want to phrase it, but people can click on that and it'll take them to the services page of your site, which I'll go over in a minute. So at the bottom here, there's a picture slideshow, and right here you can do before and after pictures, or completed project pictures of some of your latest projects, or whatever pictures you might want to put on here. At the bottom, there's social media icons: Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus. I can also add YouTube, Pinterest, etc. Whatever social media you guys need. So that's the home page. So let's say somebody wants to view more of your services, so they can click right here. I'll take them to the services page. So right here, you can kind of see how it's laid out. There's a little brief text going over your services, and then you have a picture for each service. And right here, they only have two for an example, but we can put as many services as you guys have. We can put a picture, the title, a little bit of text about each one. So that gives you an idea of how it'll be laid out. The next tab is the gallery. So again, this is a good place to put, before and after pictures or completed project pictures, etc. Just whatever pictures you guys want to put up here. Now, like I said earlier, this get a quote button, that as you can see, it's featured all throughout the site. So somebody can click on that and it'll take them to your contact page, which I would fancy this up a little bit more with some pictures and a little more text. But it's got the basic Google Maps layout, a contact box, and this will basically forward to whatever email address you want to use. There's a place for some of your information. And yeah, like I said, I'd fancy this up a little bit more, but that's just the basic layout. So the next tab is the online store that you were talking about. Now this will give you an idea of kind of how it's set up. Somebody can hover over it with the mouse and it'll show different pictures. So if we were to click on one, this is kind of how it would look when somebody clicks on a product. So right here, there's multiple info sections. There's quantity button, the price, and the product name, of course. Now, and like on some online stores, like if they're selling clothes, there's the options for like small, medium, and large. Well, you can include whatever options you want on here, just kind of depending on what you're selling. So that is a good feature. Like I said, multiple pictures. And right here, there's a little social media bar, and this is a really neat feature. So let's say somebody wants to share this specific product on their Facebook page. They want to share it with a friend. So what they can do is just click on this Facebook icon, and it automatically shares this product on their Facebook, or you can also share it on Twitter, Google Plus, Pinterest, all kinds of stuff. So that's a really neat feature. So we'll do this as an example. So I'm going to add this to the cart as an example. When you click add to cart, this pops up on the side right here and gives them a chance to view their cart. Tells them they just added an item. They can click view cart. And right here, there's a little button. It shows them how many items are in their cart. This is the checkout page. Uh, and also within the site, you can add shipping fees, handling fees, tax, etc. Also coupon codes, like if you want to do a 10% off coupon code, 5% off, whatever amount you want. So that's also an option. And right here, they can add a note to you when they're buying the product. They can, add a note saying, hey, thank you very much for this, blah, blah, blah. Let me go back to the store. So that gives you an idea of kind of how it's laid out and everything. So you guys said you have a lot of products, so you can kind of see how this is laid out. So one thing you could do is just send a picture and a little bit of text about each item that you're selling. If you guys have pictures of everything. Anyway, but that kind of gives you an idea of how it's laid out, so you kind of know what information you need. So anyway, that's the site, and like I said, I'll probably add an About Us section and all that, but that kind of gives you an idea of how it's laid out and everything. So let me know your thoughts on this, and we'll go from there. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks.